Hi everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm Ava, and our channel delivers all of the latest news happening in the crypto space to keep you informed, which can help you navigate the volatile crypto market. Thank you for joining us today. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to support what we do. You can also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos containing daily news and market reports. Our latest stories today include Coinbase plans to move away from the United States if no regulatory clarity is established. Ethereum unstaking requests are now facing a 17-day wait, only days after the Shanghai upgrade went live. Bernstein is predicting the biggest crypto bull cycle will happen soon. Luno is set to withdraw its license to operate in Singapore as part of its global strategy. And Bitcoin signals an onset of a major bull run according to a lesser-known indicator. To start things off, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong stated that his company is planning to move out of the United States if no regulatory clarity is established concerning the cryptocurrency market. Just recently, regulatory bodies in the United States have filed lawsuits against a number of crypto firms, citing regulatory violations. Crypto firms in the United States, including Coinbase, are concerned that this can mean uncertainty since they would always have fears of getting sued by the government. With all the uncertainties in the United States concerning crypto trading, Armstrong hinted that Coinbase may move away from the country unless the regulatory framework for the industry is clearer. According to Armstrong, anything is on the table, including relocating if necessary. He said this after former UK Chancellor George Osborne asked him at FinTech held in London if Coinbase will consider leaving the United States. Armstrong also stated that he thinks that the United States has a lot of potential to become an important market for crypto. However, since there is no regulatory clarity, crypto firms are reluctant to expand. The United States is one of the largest economies in the world, and it can become a hub for crypto. However, if regulatory clarity doesn't emerge within a few years, Coinbase may consider investing more elsewhere. At the moment, the CFTC and SEC are having turf battles, and crypto firms are caught in the middle. Many crypto firms, including Coinbase, have received contradictory statements from both regulatory agencies. Because of this environment, crypto firms are unable to conduct business out of fear of getting sued by either the CFTC or the SEC. In March, Coinbase received a Wells notice from the SEC. Armstrong met with the SEC 30 times before getting the notice, and he didn't get any feedback. Armstrong also stated that there's a lack of distinction or nuance in how regulators view the different arms of the crypto industry. Coinbase should be regulated like financial services companies, but the decentralized areas of the industry should be handled differently since there is no central authority to regulate. DeFi, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and self-custodial wallets need to be regulated like something similar to a software business. Coinbase, along with other crypto firms and exchanges operating in the United States, are considering their futures in the country. Hong Kong, Singapore, and even some countries in Europe have already established clear regulatory frameworks for crypto. It's only a matter of time before we see these firms move to more crypto-friendly countries if the regulatory organizations in the US don't act soon. Stay tuned as we bring you an in-depth look at a story that's been impacting people across the world. Soon after Ethereum's Shanghai upgrade went live, ETH unstaking spiked to an all-time high. Initially, the queue stood at 14 days. However, as exit requests piled in from validators on the blockchain, the unstaking requests now face a 17-day wait. Market analysts say that the line is going to get a lot longer, and Ethereum validators that have put in withdrawal requests may need to wait upwards of 17 days to get their staked ETH back. The Shanghai upgrade is one of the most highly anticipated events in the crypto industry, and it has caused ETH to surge. There are currently a total of 575,359 validators on the Ethereum blockchain. Roughly 5% of validators chose to leave Ethereum's staking process. As part of the validation process, validators are responsible for adding and proposing blocks of transactions to the ETH blockchain. In return, the validators are made eligible for rewards of newly minted ETH and share transaction fees. For those who have chosen to exit, there's also a whole process that contributes to the length of the queue. To start the exit process, validators need to submit a voluntary message to exit, which involves a 25-minute wait. These validators then join the exit queue, which now sits at 11.7 days at the time of this report. After moving out of this phase, the validators are then faced with a withdrawal delay of around 27 hours. Finally, withdrawals are processed and deposited after another 4.25 days. In short, if a validator decides to go through the exit process, they would need to wait 17 days before their ETH is returned. Despite the number of people applying for an exit, staking ETH is still gaining popularity. The smooth execution of the network's multi-year transition to become a fully functional proof-of-stake network resulted in more interest from crypto traders and investors. Now, moving on to our next story. A new report from a brokerage firm, Bernstein, says that macro catalysts are lining up for Bitcoin. According to the report from Bernstein, the FTX's collapse triggered a new bullish cycle in the crypto markets. The research report was released on Monday and has indicated that the FTX's demise cleaned up the toxic crypto leverage and taught investors that decentralization and self-custody wallets are important. Macro catalysts are also aligning for Bitcoin, which is the largest cryptocurrency by market cap. With the continued weakness of U.S. regional banks and more deposit outflows to money market funds, many large banks in the United States are concerned about the centralization of money. According to expert analysts Manas Agrawal and Gautam Chugani, Bitcoin is being seen as a safe haven asset alongside gold. Bitcoin rallied 80% this year, with the price surging around 23% in March amid the banking failures in the United States. The crypto's price surge also followed when Ethereum went live with its Shanghai upgrade, which opened the doors for users to stake and unstake ETH. Ethereum's blockchain fees are up threefold, indicating growing user intensity and token prices. According to Bernstein, the current crypto cycle is still not fully appreciated. There's a number of positive factors lining up that will continue the bullish trend in the crypto market. Up next, a developing story that you won't want to miss. Luno will stop serving customers in Singapore on June 20th. Crypto exchange Luno informed the Monetary Authority of Singapore that the company is withdrawing its application for a license to operate in the city-state. According to Luno, this move is part of an evaluation of its global strategy. In a separate announcement, Luno stated that their Malaysian customers are unaffected and the crypto exchange will continue working there. Before making the decision to withdraw from Singapore, Luno hired Canaccord Genuity Group. Its main reason for hiring the investment bank is to attract more investors and raise funds to finance its expansion plans. Luno is eyeing a public listing and the customers residing in Singapore have until June 19th to withdraw all their funds that are currently on hold on the platform. Luno is owned by the digital currency group Future. We've covered some interesting stories already, and our next one is no exception. A historically reliable but lesser-known Bitcoin price indicator recently flipped positive. This event indicates that Bitcoin is signaling the onset of a major bull run. Bitcoin's reserve risk multiple has crossed above zero and turned green for the first time since October 2021. The lesser-known indicators have been successful in the past in signaling a bull market for Bitcoin. The indicator has accurately predicted bullish and bearish trends in the past. If it can serve as a guide, the latest crossover to positive can indicate an upward trend for BTC in the market. This can also result in a rally for the cryptocurrency. These are all the latest news stories we have for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave a like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment to tell us what you think. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto, bringing you the latest in the crypto space. Have a great day.